Hey, what's going on, guys? Today is a really hot day, and I decided to get water balloons and make them as big as they could get. And you probably can't see my face, but this is the one who's been making Minecraft videos and has stopped. And yeah, so let's get started. I'm here with my friend Evan, and it looks like I actually got balloons that say happy birthday on it by accident, but they still can get water in it. So yeah, I have a waterproof case on, by the way, so it kind of doesn't matter. So Evan's gonna do the first one up. Evan, that's not even big. That's like an extra small. No, trust me, I blew one of these up before. They can go up. Yes, very big. Here, take the whole freaking pack. I'm just gonna film you. Sorry. Do you want me to do it? Ha! I'll tell you when to stop. Trust me.
This is just gonna... I can't get this off, Tyler.
Trust me. It'll go pretty big.
I can't get it off even if I want to.
Don't try. Just kind of, you know.
Okay, wait. We're gonna have to slow-mo this, dude. This is gonna explode.
I already put 2 videos on my channel of slow motion, you know. Okay, that should be like a medium. Probably. I'm not joking. Okay, stop it. Stop it.
You gotta go turn off the hose.
God. Oh! Holy crap. I swear. I was about to run over there and actually turn it off. I was afraid that was gonna, you know, explode right in my face.
I'm gonna plug that up.
Jeez. I hope I got that one on camera. Oh, God. I hope I got that one on camera. Okay, I'll be the hose guy.
When I say turn off, you gotta turn
Okay,
off.
go flip. So they can see it. That's not good. Yeah, that's like a medium. I'm pretty sure. Alright, that should be good.
Okay, how do you expect me to tie this?
Oh, shit. It came off.
Language, Tyler.
Whoops. There.
How do you expect... I can't even tie a balloon.
Okay, I can.
Can I film? My hands
Yeah,
are a
just-
little bit wet. Do you have a waterproof case?
Yeah, here. Let me see if I can get...
Tyler, I can hold the camera.
Trying to get this stuff out. Alright, it's because we were blowing this up. I was tying it, and it exploded all over me. Whatever.
We're gonna get
So
it as far as possible.
Yeah, we're gonna get the hose over here, and we're gonna explode it.
Okay, we're gonna have to unknot that.
What? Alright. So, third balloon, I think, right? Third? What you doing?
Untie it.
Alright. Alright, so, I'm gonna start recording again, when it's like all done. Or no, when we get it ready. Right, so we've got it on the sidewalk, and I'm turning on the hose. That should be good. It's already leaking. Alright. fucking get him over here.
Why?
Cause.
Dude, it's gonna love this. Yay!
You kidding me? He's probably not allowed on YouTube. Alright, we're just gonna wait till this explodes.
I don't like this.
You're gonna get soaked.
I love you. I love you. I love you, Mr. Balloon. I love you.
What the hell? That was good.
That was
Alright.
scary.
Alright, I'm gonna go get a...
Give me that balloon. Now I need to turn off.
Here, I'm just gonna pass you the whole pack. No!
Good throw. Good throw.
Here, take a balloon.
Get them closer.
That should be good. This might be one of the most boringest videos ever.
Come on.
Alright, I'm gonna start filming once he finally gets, finally he got it. Okay, this one's gonna be big. Evan, do you have an airsoft? No?
Yeah, I do, but I don't think my brother would let me.
One pellet. Mine's at my dad's, so. Oh yeah, by the way, a little behind the scenes. When I was doing the slow motion stuff on the first one with the knife, I was actually trying to shoot it with my my assault rifle, the BB gun, and it did not break, so I was like, no, screw it. Stab! That's so gonna explode any moment now. I dare you to sit on it. Oh god. Yeah, that wasn't even that big.
Oh,
Wow.
a pink one.
A pink one? Oh no, Evan, remember when we did it with your kitchen dishing glove?
Oh, that was awesome. Okay, go turn off the water so I can get
Last
this on.
one. Alright, last one before I end off the video. I put his hose on max.
Okay, we're gonna have to carry this together.
Carry it. Alright.
We're gonna go show Gage. This is the max, dude. No, wait, a little bit more. Because
No.
me and you can't carry this that much.
Okay. And turn it off now.
Turn it off.
Turn it off. Alright.
Yeah, there's a lot of thickness to this balloon still, so
Alright. So. Alright.
here, tie
Hold
it.
the camera.
I have to hold it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure you see the screen so you know what you're recording. Let go.
Come on.
Got it.
Okay, here.
No, we can't carry it. We're gonna have to roll it, because like if we carry it, it's gonna splatter. I know it. All right. I can't carry it because I'm holding the camera, or roll it. All right. Probably gonna get it to the asphalt, and then it's definite. Ha!
Okay, we're gonna bring this over to Gage, and then we're gonna explode.
Anyways.
End off the video.
Yeah, I'm gonna end off the video here. So, hope you guys have all enjoyed. My name is Voltic Vids. Well, it's not my name, but it's my YouTube channel name. Subscribe down below, like, comment, all those good stuff. And I'll see you next time.